comparison of like fraction and unlike fraction. But before that, we also learn about the simplest form on and equivalent fraction. So today we will revise concept of simplest form, equivalent fraction and comparison of like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay. So first of all, simplest form. I know you know how to find the simplest form, but today we will revise the example of simplest form, equivalent fraction, because in exam, so it will be not have any confusion related to method. So let's start with the simplest form. Here first 3 by 15. In a simplest form, what you need to do? Find the HCF of 3 and 15 and divide both number with 3 and 15. Or you can find the factor of 3 and 15 and cut the common factor. Two methods are there. We will solve some example with HCF method and we will solve some example with the factor. But in a factor, you need to remember that all number must be prime number. Then only you get the simplest form. Okay, so here first 3 by 15. You need to find the factor of 3 and 15. So let's find factor of 3. That is 3 1s and factor of 15, that is 3 5s 15, 5 1s 5. So what will be HCF of 3 and 15? 3. So here each number in a numerator and denominator is divided by 3. So let's divide 3 by 3 and 15 by 3. So we will get 1 by 5. Now here we cannot cut any common factor because this is a simplest form. Okay. Now for next one 8 by 26. Now let's take another method in which we need to find the factor of 8. Factor of 8 must be in a prime number. So it is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. You can also find the factor of 8 like this, 2 4s are 8. And factor of 26, 2 13s are and 13 1s are. So it is 2 by 30. Now cut to common factor 2. So here we have 4 by 30. Then it is also cut. Let's take same method. Factorize 12. Factor of 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are. Now factor of 72. 2 36 are. 2 18s are. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are. Now write the factor of 12, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and factor of 72 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. This is 3. Now cut the common factor 2 and 2 and 3. So what is remaining? 1 by 6. So this is the simplest form of 12 by 72. Now we will solve this example with this HCF method. So find the factor of 16. Both methods are same, so you can perform any one. But most important thing that you need to find the factor of number. So these are the factor of 16 and these are the factor of 100. Now which is the common? You can see here 4 and 4. Now none of the factor is same. So here we divide each with 4. So 16 divide 4, 100 divide 4. So we will get 16 divide 4 is 4 and 100 divide 4 is 20. So this is the method you can find the simplest form. But please remember that between numerator and denominator in a simplest form, no common factor will be there except 1. One સિવાયનો કોઈ પણ common factor હોવો જોઈએ. Now 21 and 81. So let's find the factor of 21. 3 7s are 7 9s are. Now for 81, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. It means common factor is 3. HCF is 3. So 21 is divided by 3. 81 is divided by 3. So we will get 7 by 27. Clear? So this is the method of simplest. Now equivalent fraction. If in an exam question about equivalent fraction is asked, then what you need to do? Multiply this 2 by 3 with any number. So let's multiply 2 by 3 with 2 In a numerator and denominator, we will get 4 by 6, that is equivalent to 2 by 3. Let's multiply with 3 by 3. So we will get 6 by 9, that is equivalent to 2 by 3. Now multiply with 4 by 4. So we will get 8 by 12, that is also equivalent fraction to 2 by 3. You can also find more examples. I here only find the 3. You can also find 5 or 6 equivalent fraction. Now here next is 2 by 7. Again multiply 2 by 7 with 2 and 2. 4 by 12. So it is 4 by 40. Now 2 by 7 is multiplied with 3 and 3. So it is 6 by 21. That is equivalent to 2 by 7. And 2 by 7 is multiplied with 4 and 4. So 8 by 28, that is also equivalent to 2 by 7. Clear? Now next, 4 by 5 multiply with 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 4. You can select any number. So let us multiply 4 by 4, 5 with 2, that is 8 by 10. Now multiply 4 by 5 with 3 and 3. It is not necessary that every time you need to multiply 2, 3 and 4. You can select any number. તમે કોઈ પણ નંબર સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી શકો. So here it is 12 by 15 and 4 by 5 you multiply with 4 and 4. So 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. So this 8 by 10, 12 by 15, 16 by 20 are equivalent fraction. Now in MCQ it is also asked, are they equal or are they equivalent? For that you need to find the cross multiplication. If cross multiplication is same, then they are equivalent. Means let's perform 14 2s are 28, 7 4s are 28. So it means they are equal. It means they are same. Clear? Now after that we learn about the like fraction and unlike fraction. Now what are the like fraction? If denominator is same. And what is unlike fraction? Denominator is not same. Okay. Now we learn about the comparison. In that, first of all, we will solve example related to denominator is same or a numerator is same. Denominator same is like fraction. So for that you need to compare only numerator. And when numerator is same, you need to compare the denominator. But let's solve some example. 2 by 3, 8 by 3. Denominator is same. This they are like fraction. So which one is greater? 8 is greater. So less than sign. Or you can perform the cross multiply. 2 3s are 6, 8 3s are 24. So obviously 24 is greater. Now 4 and 4. Here numerator is same. You can perform the cross multiply. 4 15 4s are 60 and 6 4s are 24. So obviously 60 is greater. Otherwise you can find numerator is same. So denominator that is smaller become greater. So here this will be greater. 9 by 14, 8 by 14. So which one is greater? Denominator is same. So 9 by 14 is greater. Now here 16 by 25, 16 by 12. Numerator is same. So smaller denominator become greater. So we have less than sign. Now again 7 by 12, 5 by 12. Denominator is same. So 7 will be greater. 25 by 16, 25 by 4. Now numerator is same. So smaller denominator become greater. Less than sign. 9 by 40, 19 by 40. Denominator is same. So 19 will be greater. 4 by 3, 4 by 7. Now which one is greater? Numerator is same. So 3 is smaller become greater. 11 by 12, 13 by 12. Denominator is same. So 13 will be greater. What you need to remember? Whenever the denominator is same, smaller numerator becomes smaller. And whenever the numerator is same, smaller denominator become greater. Now, as we learn about the comparison of fraction fraction that are like or unlike. But here today we will learn about the ascending and descending order of unlike fraction. If unlike fraction are given, then how can you perform the ascending or descending order? આપણે previous video માં લર્ન કર્યું હતું કે જો numerator same હોય, just you need to compare the denominator, then you can arrange the number that with larger denominator becomes smaller. જેનું denominator મોટું હોય એ smaller fraction થાય. And we can likewise arrange in a ascending or descending order. Okay. Also we learned in which if denominator is same, then only you need to compare the numerator. જેનું numerator નાનું હોય નાનું fraction, જેનું numerator મોટો હોય મોટો fraction. But here today we will learn about the ascending and descending order of unlike fraction. So let's start with first example. 2 by 3, 1 by 5 and 2 by 3 by 6. Okay. We have this kind of fraction and we need to arrange it in a ascending order. So whenever this kind of example is there, first of all take the LCM of whatever denominator is given. Let's take LCM of 3, 5 and 6. जो 4 fraction आते हो तो 4 number का LCM लेगा. Clear? So now start with 2, 3 and 5. So what will be LCM? It is 30. It means you need to make each denominator 30 by multiplying fraction with some number. બધાનો denominator 30 down. So let's start. It is 2 by 3. Here 3 is multiplied with 10 to get 30. So same in a numerator. 5, 6 are 30. Same in a numerator. And 6 is multiplied with 5. So same in a numerator. Whatever number we multiply in a denominator to get LCM, same number we should multiply in a numerator. જે number denominator માં multiply કરો LCM લાવવા માટે, same number that you need to multiply in numerator. So now it is 20 by 30, 6 by 30 and 15 by 30. Now these are the like fraction because denominator are same. So now it is easy to compare the LCM, easy to compare the numerator. So which one will be smaller? 6 by 30 less than 15 by 30 less than 20 by 30. So this is ascending order. Now 6 by 30 is here. So what is that? 1 by 5. 15 by 30. So what is that? 3 by 6. And 20 by 30 is what? 2 by 3. So this way you can perform the ascending order of unlike fraction. Clear? Now let's take one example in which we need to arrange it in a descending order. So for descending order we will take example. Now we have 4 fraction, 6 by 15, 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and 1 by 10. So what we need to do? We need to take the LCM of 15, 3, 5 and 10. So let's take the LCM 15, 3, 5 and 10. Okay. So first we will divide it with 10 because 10 is divisible by 2. So 2. Remaining numbers are as it is. Now that's 3, 5, 1, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 5 and 5 as it is, 5, 1. So LCM will be 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That is again 30. So now we need to get each denominator 30. Let's make 6 by 15 with denominator 30. So we will multiply with 2 and 2. So we will get 12 by 30. Now 2 by 3 multiply with 10 to get 30. 20 by 30. Now 4 by 5 multiply with 6. So we will get 24 by 30. 1 by 10 is multiplied with 3. So we will get 3 by 30. Now arrange in a descending order. Means largest one will be the first. So from this, which one is the largest? 24 by 30. will be first number. Now 20 by 30, that is second number. Then 12 by 30, that is third, and 3 by 30. Now write the main fraction. 24 by 30 is nothing but 4 by 5, so that will be greater. 20 by 30 is nothing but 2 by 3, so 12 by 30 is nothing but 6 by 15, and 2 by 30 is nothing but 1 by 10. So this way you can perform the descending order of unlike fraction. So here some examples are given. All are unlike fraction and you need to convert them into ascending order and descending order. So you take the LCM, make the denominator is equal to LCM by multiplying some number and then arrange them in a ascending and descending order.